This year, to any time right now, we are going to commission Carrier 5, which is about 165 megawatts of geothermal, hence bringing the figure of geothermal to about 1,000 megawatts from about 800. That is, Kengen will be about 800. We have the Orpa, which is about 150 megawatts, so it comes to slightly below 1,000 megawatts. The government of Kenya would not be renewing any thermal power plants whose PPAs will elapse. This year, we've started the Iba Africa one of 56 megawatts. I think elapsed last month. Was it last month, about August? So we have 56 of the thermal energy out. And people have been asking, if you are not renewing, what compensate? I've said we are, this year we are going to commission, but not this year, this month or next month, we are commissioning 165 megawatts of geothermal. That compensate. Next year we have other power plants which are coming in cheaper. And we have other thermal power plants which we are going to decommission.
We affirm our primary task of ensuring quality regulation that conforms to acceptable international standards. However, we reiterate our commitment of being part and parcel of enabling unlocking of wondrous choices and opportunities in the energy sector.